at 1:30. Shit.
Oh my God, it's gonna go, I think. The big piece is gonna go.
Yeah. In a way, I wish that if the big piece goes, I wish that the other piece went